Okay, today we're going to be looking again at 1, 2, and 3. So right now we have two nests. We have nest 1 and we have nest 2. And they have 1 circle, 2 circle, 1 circle, 2 circle. Right now, neither bird has anything in their circle. So they have nothing. So both of these are empty. However, now we are going to fill them in. Not both of them. Right now, I'm going to fill one dot in. And then I'm going to fill this dot in. So looking at the two nests, do they have the same amount in their nest? Yes, they both have 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color in the first box on this nest side. And then I'm going to color in the first box on this nest side. They have equal amounts, and we can see that with the chart. They are equal. They both have the same amount. But what would happen if I filled in this bird's circle and not the other bird? Now do they have the same amount? No, this bird has 1 more than the other bird. This one will have 2. Because this circle goes with this box, this circle goes with this box. This circle goes with this, or this circle goes with this box, but there isn't anything here. So now they are not equal. Now if I wanted to make them equal, I could make the other circle. We're not going to do that right now though. Now my question is, how many do they have in all? How many circles did we fill in all? 1, 2, 3. We have 2 here, plus 1 more equals 3. Okay, so now we're going to look on the back side. And we're going to look at the birds. For each bird, we're going to fill in 1 square. So here's 1 square for this bird. There's 1 square for this bird. And then this bird will go for this square. So there are 3 birds. There are 3 squares filled in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over here, how many birds do we have? 2. 1, 2. So we have 1. This one goes to this one. And then we have 2. This one goes to this one. And then over here, we only have 1 bird. This one goes here. So we're only going to fill in 1 box. Okay, so now you are going to do the same thing for the last 3. So there are 3 birds. So how many will you fill in here? There's 1 bird. How many will you fill in here? There's 2 birds. How many will you fill in here? Can't wait to see your work for that one. Then we're going to move into this one. So it says, circle the die that have 3. So we're going to be looking for the die that have 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to circle that one. Then over here, 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to circle this one because 2 plus 1 more is 3. 1, 2, 2 plus 0. No, that's not 3. Number 2, we're going to be circling 1. So the ones that have 1. So we have 0 plus 1 equals 1. So we're going to circle that. 1, 2 plus 0. No. 1, 0. Yes. Okay, now we are going to look down here, and you're going to circle the die that have 2. I'm going to let you do that on your own. So pause the video and complete your work. The last page that we are going to be working on, you are going to match the number that's on the die with the box. So we have 1 dot. We're going to fill in 1 box. We have 3 die. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This dot goes with this one. This dot goes with this one. This dot goes with this one. So then I'm going to color them in. Okay, I'm going to have you do the last 2 on your own. And then it says, draw 2 counters. And then draw 2 counters in a different way. So I can draw 2 like this, just like we just did over here with these. Or I can draw 2 of dice. That's a different way. I could also write 2 as in tallies. I could do 2 as in the dominoes. I could also write 2 dominoes doing this way. These are all ways to write 2. I could write 2 going this way. What way do you like to write 2? So you're going to finish number 11, you're going to finish number 12, and you're going to finish number 13 on your own on that page. On this page, you are going to finish circling which ones of these 3 have 2 dots. On this page, you're going to fill in the graph on how many there are. So if this one goes here, this one is here, and this one is here, you're going to fill in all 3. How many are you going to fill here? How many are you going to fill here? I will be looking for how you do when you turn in your packets. When you are done, you can show it to an adult and tell them about the numbers. Now give yourself a big squeeze, a pat on the back, and a brain kiss because it's working hard.